Look, I have learned tremendous amount of America. I stayed in the years of 1966 till 69. America at that time went through very, very hard time. Martin Luther King was killed. Bobby Kennedy was killed. There was the big rebellion in the universities, the business with the blacks in Harlem, and I found America a country which is being changing itself and fighting for different way of life, but in a very sharp way, in a very cruel way, and it impressed me very much. I said to myself, if Israel would have gone such big changes, it wouldn't be so bad. So America changed a great deal of things in my life, because I went to Washington during the 6-Day War. Afterwards, the Pentagon was one surrounded, and I was there too. I saw America in its fight, and it impressed me very much. And I don't want to say I like America, but I sympathize America very much.